Hey guys, Cindy Rendon here, Realtor with Ferester and Company in the Woodlands, Texas. I am going to go to Woodforest today and show you guys a little bit of the place we get to call home. We made it! Yay! So this is what the open houses look like, I guess, now. And I'm picking up Kristen. Come on. By my corn nest. Hello to YouTube.
Hello YouTube! You're in Woodforest. Okay, here's the map. You're gonna try to find my cutouts. You don't have to get out of your car.
Okay.
So they're all gonna be outside in these locations. There's 7 of them. Take all 7 pictures and upload them to my Facebook page. You'll be entered to win a prize. There's milkshake pickup, but there's no cutout there.
Okay.
And you get to pick up these little things on the way.
Awesome.
So, there you are. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank y'all for coming.
All right. This water, you guys. They have Woodforest water. Okay, so we're right here. Number 1 Grace Point Homes.
Yeah.
So
where is it on the map? There's 2.
1.
Okay. Okay, but Kingsley. Okay, so go out here.
All right, guys. So I'm here with Kristen Tidwell, also with Ferester and Company here in the Woodlands. So we're going to be touring the Woodforest neighborhood.
Yes.
Okay, so we're heading to our first stop. This is fun already. Oh my goodness, that's not exciting. All right, you guys. So now we're in the crest. We're starting our little mission. We're spying. It sounds so funny to say that you're spying. You know? You found her. Good job. Okay, so she's going to be hidden.
Okay, do you want to sit shotgun since you're vlogging?
Okay.
I'll mention that again.
Hey guys, so Melissa has a YouTube channel. You're going to have to follow her. I will link her in the bio, okay?
Thank you.
Oh, Melissa's also with Ferester and Company.
Give me a call.
Here's our stop. Hi. Melissa, tell us a little bit about yourself while you're driving.
Okay, well, my name is Melissa King. I was raised in Houston. I went to Bel Air High School, went to UT Austin, go Longhorns. Started off in management consulting. Then I had my baby, stayed at home for a while, and now I sell real estate in the Woodlands in the greater Houston area.
I love it.
And I love it.
Okay, I love it. We're good. Perfect. Just go straight. All right, guys. So we have this lovely map that shows us where to go. You see? The main thing is that Melissa's driving and she can't look at the map and drive at the same time. So thankfully, Kristen is here.
But my eyeballs can't see the street names because they're teeny tiny and I don't have my glasses on.
It's like a major scavenger hunt that you do with a group.
It's a good thing we all came together. But yeah, so now you go straight.
We're going to go to Fox Trace. So keep going, take a left, follow that now take a right.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's right here.
Yeah.
During Spyglass Park.
Did you guys hear that? Keep going straight, but no, take a right, but go straight, but take a right, right here. There's a roundabout to go straight, but take a right.
Wait a minute.
Oh, wow.
Oh, look at that. Oh, wow.
I know, I meant to tell her that.
I know. So do you think that's going to be a grocery store right there?
It is.
What?
Yeah,
I
so
wonder which one.
I feel like her face is, I see it. So take a right, and then you'll be able to take another little right into the parking lot.
Pine Market. Here inside Woodforest. We found it! Yes!
Maybe we should all be in the picture.
Let's do it. Found her. We have 4 more to find. This one's at Pine Market. They're making some really cool construction here. I don't know what it's going to be, but I'll find out.
So guys, it's going to be to the left, in here. And we're here for the Realtor deal. Do you need our card or no? Okay. All right.
Thank you.
You too. We found the house. Already? So you just get closer and you just watch me. Hey guys, I'm going to take a picture with this golf cart. It just looks perfect and I want it. I want it. Well, this is going to my car first.
Yeah, I'll take your picture.
Okay. Okay, so I kind of want it straight on right here. Okay. How do I look?
Perfect.
Okay, awesome. Beep, beep. Thank you.
We're gonna go in, but I'm just gonna take a picture.
I guess I'll take it. I do want you guys to show your picture.
To the home.
This is Westin Homes in Woodforest. It's absolutely beautiful. This is gonna be a Carter 6. And welcome.
And then
Here.
It's just a video, yeah. All right, guys, I'm here with Kara from Westin Homes here in Woodforest, and Kristen.
Popping in.
We're going to show you guys this lovely home.
Yes, well, welcome. I'm so excited to share with you the Westin. So one thing that I like to say is Westin has the wow. So we do many things that are great. One of the things you will see is on wall and windows, which is absolutely beautiful. You're going to get so much natural light. Most of our homes have these wall windows. Sometimes it can vary up at the top because of the porch that we have. Also, one of the things, as Kristen's on, is our beautiful staircase. So it's a spiraling staircase that goes all the way up, and then our beautiful rotunda. Yeah.
And my favorite thing about Westin in general is just the tile selections. A lot of times in the inventory, obviously they make the selections ahead of time, but they're just beautiful. The backsplash is this gorgeous mirror, and then I'll show you in one of the half baths in just a little bit.
Here we go. Melissa's bath.
Hey. Another thing, are we on?
Yeah.
Okay, so one of the good things too is that with our master, you're not going to have a second story floor above it, so it's nice and quiet. So that makes it nice.
And that's all the plans?
Pretty much.
That's awesome.
Oh my gosh, the tray ceiling is gorgeous. And I love it with the accent. One of my videos I did and this is the secondary primary bathroom. Just to be annoying, laughing at myself. Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
I'm recording.
Okay, so here's our master. One of the great things that Westin does too, and many of our plans, is follow me. Let's go through the bathroom. You're gonna see this great closet. And then, what would you want besides your closet? Anybody have any ideas? A laundry room! Yay! So it's so perfect. So
Oh,
you
wow.
can do your laundry and you can put it up. So that's nice too. Then in the Carter 3, which is what we're in right now, you're gonna have our a second bedroom downstairs. So it's good for the in-laws. It's good for family that's coming in, or even if you have a little baby, you can have it as nursery. So it's great.
Oh, this would be
And
so
then
More
here's
fun
our
tile.
beautiful tile.
Now we're upstairs.
Okay, so one of my favorite things too is this little nook for your kids, for them to do homework. COVID has made a different change in our way that we live, right? So everybody needs a space. So I love this, so your kids can actually do their homework, which is super nice. All right, then we have our game room. So we got a hockey table, which is nice. So you've got this space right here, but then our fabulous media room. So come on into the media room. So we have it surround sound, so all of your speakers will be done. We also have your bar area right here, which is super nice. Keep your drinks in there, your wine. We even have have a sink, which is so nice. And I love these barn doors. I don't know. That's the sound. But they're so pretty. Yeah, they're beautiful. Yeah. 3 has 3 bedrooms upstairs. So here's one of the bedrooms. Got a nice closet, nice space. One of my favorite things too is up here, since we have 3 bedrooms, you can actually have your own workout room, which is nice. Or if that doesn't work for you, you can always have, like if mom and dad are both working at home, it's another space. So you can use it however you want.
I love it.
And then it also feeds into the bathroom. So we got a little Jack and Jill bathroom going on. And then it leads into our final bedroom. And this is such a nice, good size.
I have to get a shot. Are we in your light? I can't even see myself. Oh, there it goes. All right, you guys. Well, that was Kara. Thank you so much for that tour. I love it.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so we just met with Kara from Westin Homes. She was so sweet. It was so nice to get her insights on why it's best to, or not. What are some benefits of buying a new construction? Yeah, you do turn. So now we're heading back to our cars. It was a lot of fun. Thank you so much, Woodforest, for hosting this event for us. Yeah, we loved it. Now we'll see who wins. Woo!